Okay, so now we're going to talk about combining transformations. So, combining transformations. All right. So first example, identify the sequence of transformations that transform C negative 7 4 to C prime 4 1. And we're given a graph. So let's go ahead and graph this. Amazing graph, huh? Negative 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think 4 is the highest we need to go. So here's our C. C here is negative 7, 4. And they give us a little hint. So 1, 2, 3. So they give us that, they give us this right here. X equals negative 3. And they give us this. Y equals X. To give you a little hint about what reflects. So, don't be fooled into using the regular formula for reflection, because unfortunately it's not going to work in this situation. Maybe you can tell me why when I hopefully get back someday. So we have to do 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so here it's going to be this point for this first transformation is going to be the reflection across x equals negative 3 is going to be 1, 4, right? And then when it reflects across y equals x, basically the y and the x swap, but the geometric way to think about it is you go down 3 to get the line, so you have to move over 3 to get to the line. 1, 2, 3. So here is our C prime, 4, 1. So basically what we did was we reflected across x equals negative 3, and then reflected across y equals x. All right, that's exactly what we did. Those were the two transformations we did to get to that C prime. Okay, so now let's do another example. Name the single transformation that does the same thing as, and then we'll do two examples here. So first one is p of xy going to p prime 5 minus x y, and then q prime xy goes to q double prime x minus 4 and y plus 2. Okay, so I would suggest plugging in a bunch of points and seeing what's going on. So let's try the point 0, 0. So P 0, 0, after we do this transformation, it's going to be 5. So P prime is 5 minus 0 and 0, right? Which equals P prime 5, 0. And then this goes to P double prime, the second transformation, right? 5 minus 4, 0 plus 2, right? And we know that this is equal to P double prime 1, 2. Right? Okay, so that's pretty interesting. Let's do one more and see if we can figure out what's going on. Let's try 1, 1, 1. So P of 1, 1 goes to P prime, which is 5 minus 1, 1, which equals P prime 4, 1, which goes to P double prime 4 minus 4, and then 1 plus 2. And we know that this is going to be equal to 0, 3. So, what's going on here? It looks like maybe 1 minus x, right? Let's do one more. 1 minus x and obviously y plus 2, right? I think it's 1 minus x, but let's try one more. Let's try 2, 1. So let's do P 2, 1. This is going to go to P prime, which is 5 minus 2, 1, which is equal to P prime 3, 1, which goes to P double prime. What was it? What was the thing again? X minus 4. So 3 minus 4, and then 1 plus 2. Oh, P double prime. Let's make sure that P double prime is equal to -1, 3. All right. Let's do one more. Try -1, -1. So P of -1, -1 goes to P prime 5 minus -1, -1, which equals P prime 6, -1. And then we know that this goes to P double prime 6 minus 4, and then -1 plus 2, which is equal to P double prime 2, 1. All right, so let me see if this works. Let me see if I got the right formula. So P 1 minus x, and then y plus 2. Let's see if that works for all of them. So for 0, 0, right? Let's do 0, 0. So P of 0, 0 goes to P prime. This should be a prime up here. 1 minus 0, 0 plus 2. P prime 1, 2. Is that what I got for 0, 0 up there? Yes, perfect. All right. P of, let's see, what else did I do? P of 1, 1 goes to P prime, 1 minus 1, 1 plus 2, P double prime, P prime of 0, 3. Is that what I got? 0, 3. Excellent. Yeah, and you could check the rest of them. All right, let's do one more. So number 2, P of x, y goes to P prime y comma -x, and then q prime xy to q double prime x plus 3 y minus 6. All right, so let's try 0, 0. So P of 0, 0, P prime is going to be 0, 0, which goes to p double prime, which is 0 plus 3, 0 minus 6, which is equal to p double prime, 3, negative 6. Let's do one more. P of, oh, I guess try, right? Let's write the words try. So try, what would be a good one? How about let's do 1, 1. So P of 1, 1 goes to P prime. So it was 1, negative 1, right? And then it goes to P double prime, which is, what was it? 1 plus 3, negative 1 minus 6. This equals P double prime 4, negative 7. All right, this one seems a lot easier. It looks like it's going to be negative 6 minus x, right? So the rule, pxy, to p prime. So the first one, it looks like obviously the y swapped, so the first one's going to have a y in it. And let's see what happens with the y. So with the y, 0, 0, it's y plus 3, right? Y plus 3. So y plus 3. And then it's going to be negative 6 minus x. And you can verify doing a few more points. All right, good luck, you guys.